Well, like many of the Bachmann Thomas collectors right now, I too got Sir Handel when he finally shipped it these past few weeks, and oh boy, I've been really excited for him for quite a while, and I was, needless to say, every time I went to a train show in the area that had, where Bachmann had a booth, I was kept asking, when's this Sir Handel going to be here soon? Like, I felt kind of bad, but at last, he's here, and I love him. It was well worth the wait. So, one thing I did want to make a note of is the fact that he seems to have some extra details from the CGI model. Like, obviously, he is based on the CGI model, but I think nobody like the brass strings and the safety valve and some even the cab or along with some brake shoes. He does have some additional details to make it look more like his bassist or Hayden, which makes sense since, as I'm sure many of you know, Bachmann is also doing his bassist or Hayden as a ready-to-roll model, and hopefully that'll be coming out soon. There's not much to say right now. I may do a more elaborate review on him, like my previous review models when I have the whole layout closer to being finished, but this is just like a little first impressions thing, like things I've been enjoying. One thing I actually noticed that because my other Bachmann Scarlet Railroad character, Peter Sam, he's actually faster than Peter Sam, believe it or not. Part of me wanted to that's due to the longer wheelbase. One strange thing I didn't know is also that for some reason, here's the box. It doesn't say he's Sir Handel on the box. It just says locomotive, as opposed to Peter Sam's box, which has his name. I don't really know why Bachmann did that change because when you're stacking it together, it's a lot easier to know which box belongs to which character. So I'm really not sure why they're doing that. But whatever, it's fine in the end. I'm just still happy to have it. I'm sure anyone else who is getting Sir Handel is going to be enjoying him as well. And so I know there's not much to say on this video today, but maybe someday I'll do a proper review of him, like I said. So in the meantime, here's some clips of him in action.
Look at the track, Puff Duke. Never mind the view. Fuss pot, replied Falcon. Fuddy-duddy, fuddy-duddy, fuddy-duddy.